sure these have been sifted through. I just get the whole box. Get the whole box.
Everyone wants to dip in the pool. So do I. I can't wait. Let me bring it over here. Definitely not that price. Definitely not that price.
You said 20 for this?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, $20 for a box of baseball cards. These are Donruss. Box from, what is it, 19, where's the year? Leaf. I don't know, we'll check it out at home. They're scattered and they're all mixed up. There's other years in here too. So not too bad. 20 bucks for a lot. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Bird Brain Gaming. Today, we're gonna be going through some baseball cards. This box right here, I got at a yard sale for $20. Came with a box of, I believe, 1989 Donruss baseball cards and another mixture of different cards. Since there are so many cards, I'm gonna go over the mixture first, and in the next video I'm gonna go over the Donruss. So today, let's check out what these cards are. Let's see what we got here. We have a whole bunch of these little great moments in baseball. These are from Score 1988. So we got Jackie Breaks Color Barrier. Do you remember Ebbets Field? April 15th, 1947. This is number 42 of 56. King Carl loses one. This is number 49 of 56. Polo Grounds, May 30th, 1937. We got number 33, 26, and 15 as well. This one is County Stadium, August 27th, 1982. Shea Stadium, October 16th, 1969, and Forbes Field, October 13th, 1960. Alright, let's go over the cards. So this mini card, I probably showed you before. I got this from one of this, the throwback toy store that I usually go to. This is the Astros Billy Hatcher from 1988. It's a smaller card than the average. We got Cal Ripken. This goes to that box of cards that I just showed you. Let me put that card back. But you'll see it again when I go over that Donruss box, because this is from the Donruss. Cal Ripken. 1987 Leaf. Donruss Leaf. We got Frank Thomas. Pacific Invincible. This one is from 1998. Randy Johnson. This is 1989 Topps. Andy Pettitte from Score for the Yankees. And another Andy Pettitte on the back. This is Topps Stadium Club. '88 All-Star Jose Canseco when he was with the A's. And in the back, another Jose Canseco. This one is a 89. They're both 89 cards, just different series. Both Topps, but different insert. So that's cool. Got a Barry Bonds left fielder. This is from Score. And in the back, another Jose Canseco. Let's check out the years. The Barry Bonds is Score 1988. And the Jose Canseco 1990. They're in really good condition. I don't think I'll be able to get the Barry Bonds graded. The centering is off. Let's shift it to the left a little. Oh, that's cool though. Next one, Wade Boggs. We got two different cards here. Boston Igniters, Wade Boggs and Mike Greenwell. Superstar Specials. This is Fleer 1990. And All-Star American League, third base, Wade Boggs. Rest in peace to you. This is from 1988 Topps. Really good shape, these cards. Alright, next up, Don Mattingly from 1989 Topps. And another Wade Boggs from Score. This was the same year as the other card I showed you. This is 1997. This Wade Boggs. And the Don Mattingly is from 89. Yep. Really good shape, these cards. Got Ozzie Smith, All-Star National League from the St. Louis Cardinals. And in the back, Dave Winfield from the Yankees. This is a Bowman card. Let's check out the years on these. 89 for the Ozzie Smith. And Dave Winfield's is 1989. Oh, excuse me, 1990. I can't get over how great shape these cards are in. Alright, the next set of cards are kind of oddity cards. I've never seen them before. I can get this back in the sleeve. Right. Hall of Fame. These are, before I even give you the description, these cards are from 1994, the Sporting News Publishing Company, 94 Mega Cards Incorporated. So we have Connie Mack, Philadelphia Athletics manager of 1926. Bill Brubaker, Pittsburgh Pirates third base, 1936. So these are like reprints of old players and cards in black and white. There's a whole bunch of them here. We got Hal Schumacher, New York Giants pitcher, 1932. And Casey Stengel, Boston Braves outfield, 1924. Chick Hafey, St. Louis Cardinals outfield, 1926. Errol Averill, Cleveland Indians outfield, 1929. Another Connie Mack from the Athletics, 1935. This is a different portrait. Lloyd Wayner, Pittsburgh Pirates outfield, 1927. Jesse Haynes, Cardinals pitcher, 1928. Ray Schalk, Chicago White Sox catcher, 1920. Chuck Klein, Philadelphia Phillies outfielder, 1938. Ernie Vick, St. Louis Cardinals catcher, 1926. Bill Dietrich, Browns versus White Sox, June 1st, 1937. He threw a no-hitter that day. And Bucky Harris, youngest manager to win the series of 1930. Alright, so that's it for those type. We have record breaker cards. Carlton Fisk and George Brett. These are Topps 1991. Dave Justice, rookie card from the Braves. Topps 91. Sammy Sosa for the White Sox. And John Franco, All-Star National League. Another record breaker, Cal Ripken. Mark McGwire, A's. All-Star National League, Barry Bonds. All-Star American League, Ricky Henderson for the A's. Mike Fetters for the Angels. Denny Martinez for the Expos. We got some old cards here. Let's see what years these are. For the Boston Red Sox, Ken Tatum and Marty Patton. These are from 1972. I don't know what company. Or TCG. Probably Topps. 1972, maybe printed in 73. John Edwards, Houston Astros. Same year. And Jerry Rouse, Houston Astros. Earl Williams, Baltimore Orioles. Same year, 73, printed. We have a 87 record breakers, Nolan Ryan. And a Pete Rose. These cards are from '88, and the Pete Rose is from '87. '87 highlights. Don Mattingly for the Yankees. This is by Score. And another Don Mattingly, Jack Clark, Game Breakers. If you wish to read this, just pause the video so you have more time to read. We got a 1989 Nolan Ryan when he was in the Astros. It's a really nice card. And turn back the clock. Nolan Ryan for the Astros. This 88 tops and 89 tops. Very nice. We have Ruben Rivera, Pinnacle, Zenith, when he was in the Yankees. This one is from 1996, Pinnacle cards. Ken Griffey Jr., Fleer 1990. I might have already shown you. I actually got this at a separate yard sale, these next Griffey cards, but I'll show them here again in case I forgot. This one is 1990 Fleer, Ken Griffey Jr. Then I have here Fleer Ultra 1992 Griffey Jr. Another Fleer 92. This is his base card, Griffey Jr. This one is Fleer Ultra 1991, Griffey Jr. And I have here a Ken Griffey Jr. This is a Studio 91 card. 1991 Leaf. I got a Ken Griffey Jr. Topps 1993. This is the pre-production sample card. I got Art Monk 93-94 Skybox. This is from the Redskins. And I got Warren Moon, quarterback from the Oilers. Fleer 1991. Alright, I got another stack right here. Let's open these up and let's see what's inside. Alright, next set of cards. This is the last stack of cards for today. We got Ken Griffey. This is Ken Griffey Jr.'s dad when he played in the Braves. Score 1988. That's cool. So I got father and son on baseball cards. Tony Gwynn for the Padres. Andy Baines for the Padres draft pick. Will Clark, Fleer 91. JT Snow from Score, 1997. Matt Williams for the Indians. Steve Finley for the Padres. Alex Fernandez from the Marlins. Ramon Martinez, Dodgers. Raul Mondesi, Dodgers. Rob Nen, Marlins. Brad Radke, Twins. Cecil Fielder, Yankees. Ricky Baltaliso, Phillies. Eric Karros, Dodgers. Brett Tomko, rookie card for the Reds. Chili Davis for the Royals. Chili's been in a lot of teams. I know he's been in a lot of teams. Yep. Giants, Angels, Twins, Angels again, and Royals. Will Cordero, Red Sox. Mike Cameron, White Sox. Stan Javier, Interleague Moments for the Giants. BJ Surhoff, Orioles. Shane Reynolds, Astros. Todd Zeal, Dodgers. Lou Collier, rookie card for the Pirates. Todd Hundley, looks like Dodgers. Is it? Or Mets? Looks like Mets. Mike Lansing, Expos. And John Valentine, Red Sox. Alright, we got another mix of cards here. We got Damon Buford, Rangers. This is circa 97. I never heard of this. 97 Fleer Skybox. Okay. Armando Benitez, Orioles. Ben Grieve. This is from 94 Classic Games cards. Barry Larkin, Reds. 1995 Topps. These are Topps Stadium Club cards. We got Jim Thome for the Indians. Roger Clemens. This is Pinnacle 98. Ben Grieve, rookie for the A's. Raul Mondesi, Pacific. 98 Pacific cards. We got Pinnacle Express, Steve Finley. Gary Sheffield for the Dodgers. This is 98 Pacific. Extreme Corpse, Cecil Fielder, Topps Stadium Club. We have Darren Erstad for the Angels. This is Fleer Ultra 1997 or 98. Fleer 98. David Wells for the Yankees. Jim Edmonds for the Angels. Brian Jordan for the Cardinals. We have a Topps 40th anniversary Record breaker Nolan Ryan from 91. Roger Clemens, 1989 Topps. That's in really good shape too. Carlton Fisk for the White Sox. That's in great shape. These cards are in really good shape. Jay Buhner for the Mariners. Turn back the clock. Stan Musial for 88 Topps. Andre Dawson, 88 All-Star. This is 89 Topps. Craig Vaughn for the Padres. This is 98 Topps. Hector Fajardo, Texas Rangers, Topps Stadium Club. David Need for the Rockies, Stadium Club. Scott Kamenicki, Yankees. Russ Davis, Geronimo Barroa. Eddie Williams, Padres. Shadow Gia, Indians. Edgar Martinez, Mariners. He was a really good player. I remember watching him. We got this American flag card. Score 1991. Jim Rice, Red Sox. Tom Seaver. And Don Baylor for the Red Sox. These are all Topps. OPC 1987. Fleer 90, Rick Reed, Pirates. Fleer 91, Darryl Strawberry. Fleer 91, Ryan Sandberg, Andre Dawson, Cubs. Roger Clemens, Dwight Gooden. These are all good players right here. Topps All-Star Rookie, Todd Worrell. We got some old cards. Harry Walker, Astros. Jim Hallworth, Giants. These are in the 70s. 73 cards. Ron Cook. We got a Cecil Fielder in the Blue Jays. Wow, he's really young here. This is 87, 88 Topps. Look at how young he is here. Doc Gooden, 89 Topps. Ryan Sandberg, 88 All-Star. I got doubles of that. That's the 89 Topps cards. Sandy Alomar rookie, Donruss 89. David Justice, Rookie of the Year, Donruss 91, when he was in the Braves. Mike Piazza, Extreme Corps, Topps Stadium Club. Will Clark, when he was in the Rangers. This is Topps 95. Paul Molitor and Ted Sims. These are from Score 1988. Donruss 1991, Sandy Alomar. Willie Stargell, Donruss Hall of Fame Diamond King. We got a John Valentine for the Red Sox. This is a Pacific card of 1998. And Roger Clemens, Omega, when he was in the Blue Jays. This is 1990. 8 Pacific trading cards. Minnesota Twins, Steve Carlton for Fleer, 1988. Ricky Henderson in the Yankees. Rafael Palmeiro for the Cubs. We got an OPC card. Don Sutton for the Angels. This is OPC 1987. Red Sox, Jim Rice. Turn back the clock. This is from 1988 Topps. Dave Concepcion. Gary Carter. Phil Necro for scorecards. Ron Blomberg for the Yankees, 1988 Topps. Larry Durker for the Astros. This is Topps trading cards, probably printed in 1972. We have Raleigh Fingers for the Padres. This is 1980. 1980? Looks like 1980. We got Jerry Ross for the Astros, John Edwards, and John Lowenstein for the Indians. And these are from 73. Al Hall. AO slugging shortstop, Tony Fernandez, Cal Ripken Jr., and Alan Trammell. These are from Fleer 1988. So as I said, a lot of these cards are just all mix-ups of different years. They were in that white box that I picked up at the yard sale. I just asked them how much the whole box was, and they said $20. So I just picked it up. Ron LeFleur, outfield for the White Sox. This is Topps 1983. Mike Greenwell, 87 Topps, or 88. Fleer 90, Chuck McElroy and Moises Alou. Mark Grace for the Cubs, Topps 1989. The 89s are the nicest looking in terms of design. It's like one of my favorites. Ray Foss for the Indians, 77 Topps. Sammy Sosa, Fleer 91. Carl Yastrzemski of the Red Sox. That's 87 Topps. Dave Righetti, 86 Topps for the Yankees. Kirby Puckett, All-Star. Ryan Sandberg. Steve Avery. Jim Abbott, draft pick. That's 88 Topps. Ray Lamb for the Indians. Ron Bryant for the Giants. Bob Watson, Astros. Ken Aspromonte from the Indians. Sid O'Brien Angels, Tommy Agee Astros, Frank Tanana Tigers, Cecilio Guante Pirates. That's 87 tops. Ron Hunt. This one's in a little beat up shape. This card is bent. Gene Mock for the Expos. And Stan Swanson Expos. Mickey Lalick for the Tigers. Tom Griffin Astros. Keith Hernandez Mets. That's from 1987 tops. Another Tommy Agee Astros, that's a double. Another Sid O'Brien. Tom Murphy Angels. Jack Hyatt Angels. And Billy, whatever that last name is. Good luck pronouncing that. For the Angels. Alright, that does it for today's episode. Like I said, that's part of the mixed